Hi students, today we are continuing chapter 17 circles. Now we can discuss exercise 17a 25th question onwards. First we can read the question. Question number 25. In the given figure, RS is a diameter of the circle, NM is parallel to RS and angle MRS is equal to 29 degree. Calculate angle RNM and angle NRM. So given RS is the diameter, also given RS parallel to NM, RS parallel to NM and MRS is equal to 29 degree. So we want to join this N and R, also M and S. Join this NR and MS. Given RS is the diameter. So what about the angle RMS? RS is the diameter. So what about RMS? It will be 90 degree. Why? Because angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. So this angle, that is RMS, will be 90 degree. From our question we have MRS is equal to 29 degree. So how can we find this angle MSR? So for that we want to consider triangle RMS. We know sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So what about this angle? That will be, first we want to find the sum of these two, that is 29 plus 90. Then that sum we will get it as 119. This 90 plus 29 will be 119. Total angle is 180 degree. So 180 minus the sum of 90 and 29, that is 180 minus 119 will be angle RSM. So that angle will be 61 degree. That angle will be RSM will be 61 degree. This one is 61 degree. Then RNM. What about RNM? We know this is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So opposite angle will be consider RSM. Angle RSM. Opposite of this angle will be RNM. So what about this angle? This angle means 180 minus this angle, that is 61 degree. So 180 minus 61 is equal to 119 degree. So that will be RNM. Angle RNM, that is the first part. Next we want to find out NRM. Next we want to find out NRM. For that we want, first we want which one? NMR. So what about this NMR? Given NM is parallel to RS and RM is a transversal. So we have this 29 degree, which is that MRS is 29. So these two parallel lines and RM is the transversal. So this angle will be 29 degree, that is angle NMR will be 29 degree since these two are alternate angles. So NMR is 29 degree, alternate angles. These two are alternate angles. Then look at NM. Yes. NMS. Now we got that angle as 29 degree. So what about NMS? NMS will be 29 plus 90, that is 119 degree. 29 plus 90 is NMS. NMS is equal to 119 degree. We want to find out which angle? NRM. NRM. So this angle we want to find out. So we have these all angles. How can we find this one? For that, consider the cyclic quadrilateral NRSM. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So how can we write NRS, this angle, plus NMS, we can write it as the sum of these two, we can write it as 180 degree. That is, look here, angle NRS, that is NRS plus NMS, that is NMS. These two angles, sum will be 180 degree. So how can we write this? NRS. NRS is the NRS will be the sum of these two angles. So we can split that. So how can we write NRS? NRM plus MRS. Then we will get a NRS. So NRS we can replace it as NRM plus MRS. We already know NMS is what? 119 degree. So that is equal to 180 degree. So look at that. NRM we want to find out. What about MRS? MRS, it is there in the question itself, 29. So replace that as 29 degree plus 119 degree is equal to 180. So NRM plus 148 is equal to 180. So NRM is equal to 180 minus 148 degree, that is equal to 32. Next question number 26. In the figure given alongside AB parallel to CD and O is the center of the circle. If angle ADC is equal to 25 degree, find the angle AEB. Give reasons in support of your answer. So we can do that. Given CD is the diameter and AB parallel to CD, join AC and CE. Given angle ADC is equal to 25 degree, here is given as here 25 degree. ADC is 25 degree. So what about angle AEC? ADC is 25 degree, this angle. So the same segment angle AEC will be what? That also will be 25 degree. That is, this angle will be 25 degree. This angle AEC, that is angles in the same segment. Angle in the same segment are equal. So angle AEC will be 25 degree. Then look at angle BAD. BAD. So what about the measure of angle BAD? Given AB is parallel to CD, so AD will be the transversal. Given ADC as 25 degree, so angle BAD will be 25 degree, since these two are alternate angles. Which two are alternate angles? Angle BAD and CDA are alternate angles. These two are alternate angles. Then what about angle CAD? CAD will be, this angle will be 90 degree. Why? Because CD is the diameter. So angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So we can write angle CAD, we can write as what? 90 degree. Angle CAD will be 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is a 90 degree. Then consider the cyclic quadrilateral. We want to prove angle AEB. Find the value of angle AEB. This angle we want to find out. Which one? Angle AEB. This value we want to find out. AEB. So how can we reach there? This, consider cyclic quadrilateral ACEB. ACEB. So this way. Consider the cyclic quadrilateral ACEB. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, supplementary. So CAB plus angle CEB. We are taking these two angles. Why? Because we want to find this angle, that is angle AEB we want to find out. We have 25 here, we want to find this one. So consider the cyclic quadrilateral ACEB. Sum of these opposite angles will be 180 degree. That means angle CAB plus angle CEB will be 180 degree. What about CAB? CAB we got what? These two angles is sum, that is 90 plus 25. So total CAB, this angle will be 90 plus 25. That is 90 plus 25 plus here full angle we don't know, but CEA we know. So we can write that as 25 plus 25 plus angle AEB. That only we want to prove. So AEB we don't know. So write that as angle AEB itself. That only we want to prove, which is equal to 180 degree. Once again, CAB plus angle CEB is equal to 180 degree, because we are considering the cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. We know this full angle, that is angle CAB we know. So CAB is what? 90 plus 25. That is this total will be 140. This total angle will be 90 plus 25, which is equal to 140. It will be what? 115. Then this also we want to add. Which one? 25. So 115 plus 25. So we will get it as 140. So what about this angle? Angle AEB will be 180 minus 140. 180 minus 140. That is BAC is 90 plus 25 is equal to 115. 115 plus 25 degree plus angle AEB is equal to 180 degree. So 115 plus 25 is 140 degree. 140 plus angle AEB is equal to 180 degree. So angle AEB is equal to 180 minus 140, which is equal to 40 degree. That is the second part of our question.